Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. This hair tutorial I'm going to be introducing two new products, where they're two of my new products. So I've never tried these two products, but if you guys are interested, stay tuned to the remainder of the video. But before we jump into it, stop right now, subscribe, put on your post notification bells, hit the like button, comment, share, do all that good old stuff. And without further ado, we're going to jump right into the hair tutorial. Alright, so the style that I'm going with today is, I don't know if I did it before or not, I don't know, but I need a rat tail comb, so I'm probably going to be using this one here. As I mentioned, or if I didn't already mention, my hair is already freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, so it's all that good old stuff. So basically all we're going to be doing is styling. Now I do have a middle part here. That was just the way that I washed the hair, but I don't think that I'm going to be doing a middle part. I'm not sure yet, but what I am going to do is section off this front in the direction that I'm going to be doing this style. And I'm sectioning that off right before the ear. Hopefully that's straight. I think it is. Yeah, looks pretty straight to me. So I'm going to twist this up out of the way. Actually, I think I'm going to style the front first anyway. So let me twist this up out of the way. And then I'm going to put this section over here away as well with a hair clip, as so. And then I'm going to attempt to do the same amount of hair on this side. Pray for me, because I don't know if it's going to be even or not. Just like that. Now that part is horrible, so we're going to do that over. Then, like I mentioned before, I'm parting it right before the ear. Right before the ear. And then I'm going to twist that up and out of the way. First product that I'm going to be using in today's hair tutorial that's new. And I'm not even sure how to pronounce this, but this is an old school product. It's called Lustre Silk. Lustre Silk. It looks like this. And it says Curl Max. Curl Activated Moisturizer enriched with argan oil. Revitalize curls and waves. It's 24 ounces. I think I paid under $3 or $4 for this. So I'm going to use a little bit of this on the front. And it looks like that, very almost like a detangler. So I'm going to apply this to this front section here. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be introducing to you guys, making a mess. The next product I'm going to introduce to you guys is this Afro Sheen Texture Setting Gel. It looks like this. This is new to me. It is a rather new collection. I'll get more into the product a little later. I'm just going to focus on styling the front because my hair is starting to dry. So I'm going to take a nice amount as so, add a little bit to this section on this side and a little bit to this section on this side. Okay, we are going to begin to style our top is done. I'll fix up my edges later. As you all can probably tell, the back is going to be kind of like a wash and go, but I'm going to be introducing you guys to two new products. If I haven't already mentioned them before, I'm going to show them to you guys again. But as y'all can tell, this section is already starting to dry out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with the back here. I'm going to clip this section up out of the way, as so. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is spray this section with water. Get it back damp and wet. Get those ends real good. All right, we're gonna work that in. Then I'm gonna go in with this product right here. I mentioned it before, but it's the QUAMIKAB Curl Activated Moisturizer enriched with argan oil, and this is the Lustre Silk. Take a generous amount. I'm gonna apply it over this entire section, just like that. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna get those ends really good. I'm going to section that off into a smaller section and start applying the next product. And the next product, I mentioned it before as well, and that's the Afro Sheen Texture Setting Gel. It looks like this. So I'm gonna take a nice generous amount and I'm gonna put it in this section right here. And we're gonna kind of like do a wash and go almost. Well, it is gonna be a wash and go, it's just not your typical product for wash and go. Just like that. Just like that. Alright y'all, so this is how this section is looking. I'm gonna do the rest off camera. I'm gonna be back. But so far so good. It feels very hydrated. It feels very moisturized. I can almost tell that it's gonna have a nice soft hold, but like fluffy at the same time. Like a lot of volume, I should say. But we gonna see. I ain't never used this product before. But we shall see how it works and how it turns out, you guys. So stay tuned. Y'all. I am on the last piece. The last and final piece. Y'all, I got a few gray hairs up in this joint. Anyway, last piece. I always come back on the last piece, but anyway. We're gonna spray this section down with a little water. We're gonna massage that in. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit of this right here. Just a little bit. And just fell on my leg. Make sure I get the ends. Then we're gonna go back in with this. I might have kind of got a little heavy-handed on the product because I almost used that whole container, y'all. But like I said, I ain't never used this product before. I don't know how much I need. I mean, I was applying a generous amount in each section. But, yeah, I almost used the whole container. Whole container almost gone, y'all. All right, think we done. Think we done on this side. And what I like to do is combine the whole section as so. And I'm gonna try to squeeze some of this product out. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Look how much product I just got out of that. I can reuse that. I can reuse it. I can reuse it. So I'm gonna scrape that off in the top. All right, y'all. Like I said, it's probably gonna be like a curly fro. I don't really see this drying too defined. Look how much product I got out of that section. I don't think I need all of that. So that's what's gonna make your hair take forever to dry. The more product that's in it, the longer it's gonna take to dry. Once this dries, I think I'm gonna oil my scalp. So I'm not gonna oil it now, but I am going to shake, shake, shake. This is how it's looking from the side. From the side, from the side, from the side, all right? This is how we looking from the back.